Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at brand new official footage of the upcoming Škoda Peaq, and it looks like it's being put through some seriously comprehensive testing in extreme conditions. This is Škoda's new all-electric flagship, a full 7-seater that sits above the Enyaq and is based on the striking Vision 7's concept. As you can see, they're making sure it can handle anything you throw at it. The Peaq is built on the MEB Plus platform and promises a WLTP range of over 600 kilometers. Power will go up to 220 kilowatts for the all-wheel drive version. Plus, a DC fast charge from 10 to 80% will take less than 30 minutes. Even with this special camouflage inspired by mountain peaks, we can clearly see the signature T-shaped lights. They are really pushing this car to its absolute limits before its official premiere. That's it for today. For full details and check prices, head on over to Autohled.cz.